Artificial intelligence is really as smart as whatever data it was trained on. As a software engineer myself, I've seen many videos online saying, oh, AI will take away so many jobs, where it can take up some jobs like maybe writing social media blog posts, or maybe writing, generating some text or some writing online, maybe like articles, publishing some new text-based content. When it comes to actually works that involve deep thinking, that involve critical thinking, that involve creative thinking, I don't think AI is anywhere near that. And I don't think AI can ever get to a point where we won't need, creative designers or software developers anymore. They will only be tools. They will always be, something that is used to amplify or just as a catalyst to boost, the work process of each of these creative guys. But we won't get to a point where we really don't need these creative guys anymore. We won't get to a point where it totally replaces them. Just as a calculator does not replace mathematician, AI will always be a tool for those that really wants to learn them. Which brings me to my next point. You don't have to relax and say, oh, because I say I will take away your jobs, then you don't take your time to learn. There are tools online right now. The ChatGPT, for example, is a tool you need to get yourself familiar with to understand what it does and how you can actually embed that into your business. Because the tech world is advancing and so much more is being done every single day. So there's a need for you to get yourself familiar with these tools and use them to build new concepts, to speed up your software development process, or whatever you are trying to learn. Whatever you are building in your business, so there's a need to understand each of this concept well enough and get something doing. If I tested more videos like this, click follow button and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Peace out.